All right, hi again, seventh graders. I just wanted to touch base with you about what I've seen today with homework, and a lot of you really got the hang of it. Let me just go over just a few things. It's going to be a really quick, short video. All right, so some of you are just super used to seeing and hearing directions from me, maybe too much, in fact. So you're going to get better at reading some directions for yourselves in your textbook. For instance, numbers 5 through 9, you were told to explain your answer, so tell whether it was independent or dependent events. So some of you didn't do that even though you understood it and had the right answers. You were also supposed to explain your answer. So that was one thing I noticed. And then I want to just go over a couple of things that I saw. Some of you are understanding how to find the probability of two different things happening, but we're trying to find the probability of two things that will both happen. So just a quick review again. It's the probability of the first event times the probability of the second event. So you have to multiply both of your fractions. Okay? One example was number 15 in the homework. It said find the probability of spinning a 4 on the spinner and flipping heads on a coin. So you had to do both things. So spinning a 4, there was only one 4 on the spinner out of 10 possible spaces. So that would have been 1/10. And then times flipping heads, there was 1 out of 2. So 1/2. So that answer, that number 15, the answer would have been 1/20. Kind of hard to see here, but it was 1/10 times 1/2 is 1/20. Okay, another example was the very last problem, and some of you I don't think were quite sure what they meant. It was the two goldfish bowls, and the first one there was one goldfish. In that one, it was 1 out of 2. And then the second goldfish, the second fish bowl, there were 2 out of 3 chance to pull out a goldfish. So you were going to multiply 1/2 and 2/3, and you can reduce here and here if you want. And the answer was 1/3. So you had a 1 out of 3 chance of actually pulling a goldfish from each fishbowl. Okay. Also, I did comment on every one of your individual assignments. So you can go on and look on Google Classroom, and I did a private comment for each and every one of you, just to give you some idea of how well you did on the homework assignment, and encourage you to keep at it. And tune in tomorrow if you have any comments or just want to say hi, 10 o'clock. Okay. Actually, when you see this, it is tomorrow. So you're going to see this on Wednesday. So tune in at 10 o'clock today. All right. Thank you.